even in the luxury arena where our average price points are, $2 to $4 million homes, we still have the same budget sensitivity oftentimes that we would with a project much, much lower. So we do have those same conversations. He's exactly right. We prioritize with the customer. What's most important? We're going to take that estimate list and go line by line item. And if we don't have much contingency there in budget, we just get realistic and talk market facts, right? In this kind of inflationary economy where we see cost increases almost on a weekly basis as a builder, we do have to get really judicious around budget. How we design and build is with budget first and foremost. That's where we start the process, is where we start the conversation. It's not an accident to end up on budget at the end of a project. It's like GPS, right? We plug it in, that's our roadmap. We have our process with milestones all the way to make sure we get there. And so those are the conversations that we sometimes have to have. If the budget can't accommodate this here and now, maybe we need to talk about some future phase-ins. QAV is a wonderful segue to that talking point. Many times, they're of course our go-to trusted partner for all things low V and automation. We love QAV. And when we bring customers here to talk through that process, oftentimes they're here to discover things they didn't even know existed on the cutting edge of technology, like the newest, latest, and greatest. And home automation, low V, all these cool things that they feature here in this award-winning showroom. But with that said, when we bring customers here and suddenly they see all the bells and whistles and they actually know of what's possible, what could be, they get big eyes, it gets emotional, we get a really long wish list, and then we talk about budget. And if it's not in line to have everything we want then and there, it's much smarter for us to phase it in and rough in that low V, because we can come back in a year or two or whenever is comfortable and start to bring in more and more of those toys and bells and whistles. And for example, Chris, who's off camera, but he can tell you on the operations side, when we plan and rough in some low V fun and toys from the design build stage, it's going to be a fraction, maybe a tenth of what it's going to cost on the other end when Delroy's folks come up and say, oh, we moved from California, and here's this ugly 7 gang, and here's this, and that, and we want to upgrade. You're tearing out drywall, paint, all of these things, and it's considerably more, as opposed to if we just phase it in, smart plan from the beginning, and then it saves everybody a lot more time and hassle.
Yeah.